Immobilisation tracking system on a 73 plate Ford Ranger. So as you can see, it's just a normal vehicle. It starts just as you'd expect it to, nothing's fitted to it. If this gets stolen or the customer wants to disable it, what they'll do, go into their app, scroll down on the app to cut control fuel, they'll cut it off, enter their password, we'll press OK, command successful. So now when someone gets in the vehicle, it's just not going to start up, they're going to be unable to drive it away. As you can see, it's just not starting up, foot's on the brake, vehicle's not starting. This will give them time to go recover it, pick it up, see where it is. Obviously if we zoom in, we'll reveal where the vehicle is, so we're not going to do that. When they get to it and they want to turn it back on, go back here, click recover, pop in their password, we'll press OK, command successful, and now the vehicle's going to start. There we go, vehicle fires into life, they can drive it off. So this is the remote immobilisation WildTrak system fitted to a 73 plate Ford Ranger. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This system has a full app, obviously shows you where the vehicle currently is, where it's been. You can disable it from the app so no one can drive it away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit.